Velvet Evening Sera Vellutata is another look from the Ombra Di Luce Chi 2026 collection. So the inspiration, it becomes from what is the trend for the fall winter. The trend is more the burgundy, the red colors, the browns, the chocolate, the caramel, like all these colors. So we create that blend to come that beautiful velvet evening, attractive look.
Sectioning, part the hair down the middle, section into 3, leaving 1 out. Step 1, mist the hair with royal treatment, bond and seal. Step 2, starting on the back left, take 1-inch subsections and apply Formula 1, avoiding the roots for now and generously saturating. Step 3, after you have completed applying to the mid-shafts and ends, apply Formula 1 to the roots. Process for 45 minutes. Rinse for 3 to 5 minutes with lukewarm water, followed by Chi Royale Treatment Clarifying Shampoo and Clarifying Treatment. Step 4, create a U-shaped section that starts at the temples and curves down to the occipital area. Apply Formula 2 from roots to ends on the sections outside of your clip. Use foils to separate. Step 5, avoid the money piece and apply Formula 3 starting 1 inch down from the base. Step 6, alternating between Formulas 4 and 5, starting with Formula 4 in diagonal back subsections. Apply Formula 4 to your money piece. Process for 30 minutes, rinse and shampoo with Royal Treatment Color Gloss Protecting Shampoo and Conditioner. Haircut, section your fringe area from the round of the head to the corner of the brow. Clip away sections from behind the ear. Step 2, create a triangle at the crown and clip. Step 3, starting at the crown section, elevate to 180 degrees, twist and scissor cut in a back combing motion. Step 4, part in 3 vertical sections. Elevate to 180 degrees, slide cut above the hand, diagonal up. Step 5, for your fringe, over-direct and twist, cut in a back combing motion away from the face. Step 6, comb fringe down, take small V section, twist and point cut to soften. Step 7, take horizontal sections at the top of the head, slide cut from the back angled upwards. Step 8, take horizontal sections from the sides, over direct, weave the hair with your texturizing shears and back comb. Step 9, part from the apex to above the brow, slide cut to blend. Step 10, take horizontal section at the apex, elevate to 180 degrees, and point cut to cross-check and blend. Do this throughout the round of the head.